In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Smartsheet resource management. We'll walk through the basic setup process so you can start organizing your team, assigning work, and getting a clear picture of overall capacity. The goal here is to make sure your resources are set up correctly from the beginning, because that makes planning and workload balancing much easier later on. To get started, open Smartsheet Resource Management. Once you're inside, take a moment to get familiar with the workspace and where the main planning areas are located. This is the foundation for everything else you'll be doing, so it helps to begin with a quick scan of the layout before making changes. Next, add your team members or resources. This is where you build the list of people who will be available for project work. Depending on how your team is structured, resources might be individual employees, contractors, or even broader placeholders for specific skill sets. As you enter them, try to keep naming and organization consistent so it's easier to search, filter, and manage later. After that, enter availability, roles, and capacity details for each resource. This step is especially important because it tells the system who can work, what kind of work they do, and how much work they can realistically take on. Be as accurate as possible here. If someone works part-time, has limited hours, or fills a specialized role, that information will directly affect your planning views and assignment decisions. If needed, connect your projects or sheets. This helps bring your planning data together so resource management can reflect the work your team is expected to handle. Connecting the right project information at this stage makes it easier to keep everything aligned and reduces the chance of duplicate tracking across tools. Once your resources and projects are in place, assign people to project work. Match the right team members to the right tasks or initiatives based on their role, availability, and current capacity. It's a good idea to think not just about who is available, but also who is best suited for the work. Then review the workload and capacity views. These views help you see whether anyone is overbooked, underused, or approaching their limit. This is where resource management becomes especially useful because you can quickly spot issues that would otherwise be hard to catch. Finally, adjust assignments to balance the team workload. If one person has too much assigned and another has room, reallocate work to create a more realistic and sustainable plan. Small adjustments here can make a big difference in keeping projects on track and preventing burnout. And that's how to use Smartsheet resource management to set up your team and manage workload more effectively.